didn't it?
You know, honestly, I wasn't watching.
Oh.
I am now.
I got a soap stone like for the marks on the pulley. No. Well, the pulley doesn't move. A big problem is taking this fucking stuff back off it. Where that grease hole is. That's too much.
Pretty high. So, breaker bar and a 4-foot cheater pipe. And a big ass bar. You're turning it.
You gotta watch, because it sprays back at you now.
You can hit it without it, can't you?
My back.
So the 1/8 bolt, that's what was turning. It was twisting the bolt off. Now, mind you, this isn't a tinker toy. This is good sized stuff. 1.25 or 1.5 socket and 1/8 bolt, and she came right out of that pulley. We're gonna try to get you a little closer, give you a better pick of it. So you see the notch ground in the plate, and that was because the greaser was ungreasable the way it was. So we modified the bracket slightly so we could get the greaser greasing, but it's already past that point. See, solid, and isn't turning. Again, a log chain runs in that pulley. That's a tension pulley. That's that tower spring. and it makes contact at the top of the baler. It's one set up on each side like this, and they're both about in the same situation. So chances are this may not come off, kindly. We may have to severely modify it. But I don't own this baler, so we talked to the owner, a friend of mine. He said, do what you gotta do. So that's what we're headed for. So just an update or addition to the baler repair. The hose screw got out here, put all new hoses on it without me, so I didn't get a chance to record the hydro leak repair, and it's got $300 worth of brand new high pressure hose. So we're hoping for good things when it comes to that. And all joints are Teflon sealed where they need to be, and we changed a couple fittings at the ram because the original setup did not offer swivel adjustments to take the hose off. This one, for example, didn't, but we changed it so it does. But all new hoses, new couplers were required, and bolted back on. So here's the pulley on the opposing side. We haven't fought with this one yet to take that off, but I'm sure that's coming, because this one doesn't turn either. So it's going to be a problem. And this Hesston information on the baler. It's been a good baler for my friend. We're going to try to keep it that way.